Good morning, everyone. Today's Friday, which is exciting. I just got ready, as you saw. I did some cleaning this morning. So it's a good day. It's nice and sunny outside. I did a wing today, which I never ever do, but I'm kind of into it. I need some work on it, but I'm into it. So right now I'm probably going to go eat some food because I'm kind of hungry. And I was gonna go to TJ Maxx because I need to grab a couple of things and like see what they have because it's the best place in the world. So might go there. But yeah, and then Aaron and I are gonna do some stuff later tonight, I think, when he gets home from work. So it's gonna be a good Friday, but I just want to check in with you guys for now. And yeah, let's have a good day. Okay, I just did a green apple and Justin's vanilla almond butter, which is kind of like peanut butter and fluff, and it's really good. So I'm gonna eat this and do a couple things on my computer and then get going. Okay, update. Went to TJ Maxx. Didn't do a try on haul because nothing spoke to me. TJ Maxx is such a hit or miss with the clothes, but whatever. But I got a couple things. So I've been doing my 30-day challenge with Arbonne, which I'm loving. I've lost some weight. I feel amazing. But one of the things that you cut out for this program is coffee, which I never thought I could go 30 days without coffee, and I have. So it's incredible. Because I actually started like not drinking coffee a few days before my challenge started. So it's been a while. But I thought it would be fun to stock up because it's not like I'm never gonna drink coffee again. This program like teaches you what makes your body feel good and like ways and things to cut out to make yourself feel better and stuff. So I'm not gonna never drink coffee again. Will I limit it? Probably. I think I might do like every other day or something, but we'll see. Anywho, I picked up this cute little coffee container to put coffee in, obviously. And this is just a sticker, but it says coffee and then coffee, and it has this cute little wooden cover, and it's like a decent size. Usually I buy huge tubs of coffee, but today I decided I wanted to get like a fall one. So I got the Fall in Love coffee, and it's pumpkin spice flavor. And I'm gonna put it in my little container, and I'm so excited. Big fan. So yeah, that's what I got at TJ Maxx. Then I got a couple other things, just like random stuff, but nothing exciting. So yeah, that's what I got at TJ Maxx. So I'm gonna put this stuff away and probably eat because all I do is eat. And then go from there. But I want to show you what I got. And I looked at the home decor a little bit because I want to get a wreath for our front door for Halloween. Because this is the first time I've lived in an area where we're actually gonna get trick-or-treaters. My old house like did not get anybody because we were out in the middle of nowhere. So this is the first house that will actually get trick-or-treaters, so I want like our doorstep to be cute. And we did get like a candy bowl, so we're prepared in that department, and there's candy in it. So we at least have that, but we need to get stuff for our door. But anywho, that's the update right now. Figured I would do an OOTD. My bodysuit, I'll link everything down below, or at least similar, because this stuff I doubt it's in store anymore because I bought it a while ago. But anywho, I'll link like similar stuff down below. But my bodysuit is from PacSun. My jeans are Lucky Brand, and my slippers are LL Bean. Super stylish. I know. I can link these down below. Anywho, figured I would do an OOTD. We're gonna go to the pool, so this will change shortly, but for now. We're going to the pool. Are you pumped?
So pumped.
We're gonna get some tan going on. Do a little peace sign. Give the people what they want. We got the goods. Okay, come on. Then it could just be us. Isn't that fun? Can't do a song for too long, I'll get copyrighted. Ooh, this is a bum. You missed it because we're moving. You can't swear.
You mean yelling at people?
I can bleep you out. Oh, you're going back this way.
It's not really full though.
No. Mm-hmm. Okay, we got sneaks. You want to say bye? Okay. Subscribe, like, all the stuff. Follow me on Instagram. Do a peace sign. See you in the next vlog.